What's going on, guys? This is Alex over here at My Freedom Smokes, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new starter kit we've gotten in. It's the Switcher Kit by Vaporesso. And this is actually a really nice kit, not overly heavy, not too large. And before we start going into the details of the mod, let's go ahead and take a look inside the box, see everything that we get with it. And now on, of course, this side, you're going to get your mod and your tank. You're also going to get an additional replacement glass along with an additional coil. And I believe this one's rated at a 0.5. Same thing with the one that's currently in here. This is a 0.15 and this is going to be a 0.5 that's in that box. On your flip side, you get just a couple little accessories. You're going to get your warranty card, a vape band for you to put around your tank in case you're wanting to drop your mod. It'll kind of prevent it from breaking. And you also get your micro USB cord, which I'm sure you have about 20 of these already. This is going to plug in right here to the front of your mod. That way you've got pass-through charging. You can vape it while you charge. Also in this little pamphlet, you're going to get 2 sets of instruction booklets. One of them more than likely is not going to be in any language that you're going to wind up needing, but there is an English panel and a Spanish panel right here in this one. And this is going to provide you all the information you're going to need to know. So outside of those and a couple little trinkets you get, let's go ahead and take a look and see how good this mod actually is. Now, the tank that comes with it is the NRG Tank, and that has actually been paired with a couple of the different Vaporesso kits we've gotten in the past. And it's a really good tank. You get really good flavor production and really good cloud production too. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 0.17 watt ohm coil, and I'm running it at about 60 watts. So let's see what kind of cloud production we get. Very nice. And as you see, really good thick clouds, and the flavor's right there with it too. I'm using the Kryptonite by Cosmic Fog in here, and it's working really well. Now, this mod does have temperature control features. Let me just read a couple things off here in the back for you. You do have your variable wattage, variable temp, and you do have a bypass and memory selections in here. You run this from a 0.05 all the way up to a 5 ohm, and this goes all the way up to 220 watts or 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, because of that, this really doesn't limit a lot of the tanks that you can use. Almost anything we sell here at the website, you're going to be able to use on this mod. And one of the reasons this is called the Switcher is for this neat little feature here. When you take out your batteries, or at least open up your battery door, you're going to have access to taking off this panel here. And now what you can do here is go and purchase replacement panels or customized panels, and you can customize this mod to look exactly however you'd like. So that is one of the cool things they've put in with this, but I will say it is a bit gimmicky. It really has nothing to do with how well your vape is actually going to do. It comes down to just your customizations and such that, you know, our customers prefer. When you put the tank back on, it's going to ask you if it's a new load or an old load, meaning new coil or old coil. It's an old one for me, so I'm going to hit that backspace. There we go. And now to get into the main menu, you're going to click this little center button 3 times. It's going to pop you up to this screen here. And in that way, you have the option of selecting your output mode. And as I mentioned earlier, you've got variable wattage high, normal and soft, variable temp in stainless steel, NI, TI, and then you've got 1, 2 memories and a bypass. You've just got so many different settings in here, and that's really great, especially for a vapor that likes to really customize their vape experience. As you saw earlier when I was taking off the sleeve, the batteries do install right here on the bottom. And the tank is just as easy as pushing right here on the side, and that's going to open up your refill window right there. You can fill it all the way up to the top and just click it right back into place and you're good to go. So this is the Switcher Kit by Vaporesso, and if you have any questions about this product, just feel free to leave a comment below. And until next time, thank you for vaping.